Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pittsburgh local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Pittsburgh moving company means you need 3 movers. Our team offers the best choice for local and long-distance moves. We provide the right services for small and large moves. Whether it's a home you need to move or a business, we can help you get to your new location safely. We provide the right services for your long-distance move. Our team will help you get to your destination, whether it's 100 miles away or thousands of miles away. We provide all kinds of services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With a California moving company for your local move, you get all kinds of benefits. Our team will help you get your things into your new home faster and easier. You can get settled in quickly instead of spending multiple days on your move. When you hire a top moving company, such as 3 Movers, you will save time. We keep you from doing any of the heavy lifting, and we know how to handle all your items safely. Our team can handle your move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pittsburgh moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.